guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're here, welcome. If you're always here, welcome back. Tell your friends, your families, and anyone you think would be interested in food recipes, and subscribe. Do not forget. Don't also forget to share these recipes. Don't forget to leave me a comment, give me suggestions. I need more ideas. I need us to work together and just reason together, guys. So today we are going to make garlic butter naan with some shredded chicken, something sort of shawarma. Yep, but it's much better because first of all it's homemade with love, with all the peace, with all the time and all the spices and flavors, because it's Aurelia's kitchen. So guys, before we start, the ingredients that we're going to use are yeah, so the process is as so we have chicken here. This is boneless chicken. It's basically marinated. I usually buy my chicken in bulk. Then I just marinate them all, then pack them and keep them in the freezer for later use. So like right now I just took it out and defrosted, and yeah. So to this chicken we'll just add plain yogurt for the marination, and then we're later going to shred the chicken after we cook it up. I'm thinking of just frying it up. Since it's been marinating for over 2 days, I'll just cook it direct, because the marination generally cooks the chicken and makes it softer, so it will take a shorter time to cook. So just marinated the yogurt for just a few. Then we'll take this and just cook it up. So here it is. So I really don't have a roller. What is it called? That thing for rolling charcoal. So I think this is a hack. This is a finished clean film roll. So I'm going to improvise this to use it as my rolling pin. Yeah, that's the word, rolling pin. So the dough has doubled in size. Ow.